What's up, y'all? It's your girl Ronda back with another video, and in today's video I decided to do another lock curl style, but this time no more perm rods. I'm using pipe cleaners. So these pipe cleaners, I went to the store looking for all black pipe cleaners or brown pipe cleaners because I was going to allow these pipe cleaners to stay in my head for at least a full 24 hours, at least a full day. But I've been too lazy to drive past Dollar General, so this is what I get, all this colorful bullshit. So with that being said, I'm only able to keep my pipe cleaners in my hair overnight because I would not be walking around looking like a fool tomorrow. So yeah. But anyway, before I move forward with this video, make sure if you have not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so, and also start hitting that notification bell. And if you have not followed me on my social media platforms such as my Snapchat, my Instagram, make sure you do that. All right, so I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking today. I'm just going to go ahead and spray my hair down, oil my hair a little bit, and y'all just watch me curl it. Y'all, so I just did two, so make sure y'all understand exactly what I'm doing. I grab my pipe cleaner, you're going to bend it in half, and make sure your finger is right here because you're going to want that open space to secure the ends of your locks. And all you're going to do is twist it, and the reason why I twist it is because it's more sturdier than it just being one straight. Again, some people may do it that way as it being a long way, but the videos I've been watching and my homegirl, the way she does it, this works out for me. So yeah, so once you get this, you will then grab your two locks. You will then grab your two locks, stick the ends inside the hole. And once you have that, bend it a little bit so you can secure. Let's see if you can see it. Bend it a little bit and just start rolling up. And once you get to your roots, then you will bend it to secure it. And just like that. So I showed you all 3 times. Hopefully it was self-explanatory. I'm going to go ahead and speed through the video. Watch me a little Wu-Tang. And if y'all have not already started watching that show, y'all need to tune in because it's fire. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and finish curling my locks. And I'll be right back with y'all. top of my head, as y'all can see, hair looks a little crazy right now, but we'll see how the curls look in the morning. So these at the top, I'm going to do them, I'm not going to double them as I was doing the back. I'm just going to singly twist them up in the pipe cleaners just so the top of my head can look more fuller. All right, y'all, so I'm down to the middle, my last 3. Yep, down to my last 3. So what I'm going to do is go over some that actually came loose in the back. I'm going to lightly just oil my scalp while it's separated. And I'm going to take me a nice little hot little bath. And you all will see me in the morning. You'll see how I take my curls out. And we will see all the results together. Good morning, everyone. Rise and shine. So my hair is dry. Like, again, last night, y'all, I only damped it. I did not oversaturate it with water. I just lightly sprayed it with my water bottle mixed with oils. So what I'm going to do now is slowly start taking them out one by one. And all you do is basically lift up the flap and just start rolling it the way you curled it. And just be careful because your lock strings may get tangled within the pipe cleaner. That's why you take your time. You don't want to stretch out or pull the curl from out of its formation. So yeah, you're just going to slowly just roll it down. And then when you get to the end where you secured your lock, remember that hole we did yesterday? Just slowly slide it out, and voila. Whoa, a lock curl. All right, I'm gonna do another one in the front. Slowly just unroll it. Again, as some of your lock strands get attached to the pipe cleaner, just lightly pull it loose, because you don't want to yank it loose and take your whole curl loose. And again, when you get to the bottom, just slide it right out the hole. See, this curl is a little bigger than that one, but it's all right. I can work with that. Okay, so again, just do that with your whole head, and you will see your ending results. Again, some curls may be bigger than the others, but that's all right. That is okay, because that can be fixed. All right, y'all, so again, I got my whole front unwind, most of it. So again, all you do, pull the flap up and just start uncurling the opposite direction that you curled. And just bring it all the way down. And since my locks are very frizzy, it keeps getting caught up like along the pipe cleaner. So I just lightly tug at it and I pull it apart. Ew, this curl came out so ugly. But anyway, it's all right. going to be perfect, but this method just gives, you know, just in case if you're sick and tired of your locks being just straight and boring looking, you can always just add curls, whether it's with perm rods or pipe cleaners. You can always add curls to give your locks a little bit of fun. So y'all, I finally finished taking out all my pipe cleaners, and it's a hit and miss. Some of my locks curls are crazy loose and others are like real tight. But as of right now, I have a tight curly fro. I hate this stage when I do decide to curl my hair because my curls be like extremely tight. But give it about a day or two and you'll notice them dropping, and that's just the stage of my curls that I love. But anyway, this is the full results. So I hope you all can succeed in curling your locks with my mini tutorial. Again, I'm not a professional, so yeah, that's the biggest disclaimer of all my videos. I'm not a professional at curling. Well, I'm not a professional at maintaining locks, but this works for me, so why not share the wealth? But yeah, I know my hands is gonna be in my hair like all day because I hate these tight curls, so I'm gonna be just doing this, loosening them up. But anyway, this is a look, I guess. Once you know, put it together, you could do a cute headband. You can pin it up if you want, but me, I'm just gonna leave my locks alone, let them hang, unless I get to work this evening and they tell me my hair has to go up, and I'll just have to put it up some type of way. But y'all, I just want to thank y'all for watching another video of mine. So again, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so. And click that notification button. And also follow me on my social media platforms. Until then, Rhonda B out. I just wanted to come back on here to show y'all what a quick adding glasses and some big hoop earrings to do to your look. So yeah, your girl is cute or whatever. See y'all in my next video.